How to set document settings during upload. The document upload settings offer flexible control over notifications, approvals, and payments, streamlining workflows and enhancing client engagement. When you have uploaded some documents, it will then bring up additional settings. The Notify Client toggle means that it'll send an email to all linked contacts. Toggle on the Mark as Read for Client if you don't want the client to receive the notification about new documents. Turning on Notify Followers when client opens a document toggle means that you as a firm will receive a notification when the client uses the document for the first time. And this goes to all your team members working on this particular client, as long as they have account access and their notification is turned on for documents. Notification can go either into your Inbox Plus or into your email. Toggling Request Client Approval is also available here. This is only available if we drag and drop the files to a folder with clients can only view privacy setting. To remind clients about the document approval, you can set up the reminders. Add details about the documents in the description box. You can enter general description for several docs uploading in bulk or type in individual one for each. Secure your payment by locking documents to an invoice. The client will see that documents are available but can't view or download it until they have paid for the work. Linking docs to a job gives you access to documents right from the job card. Also, if you want to choose different settings for each file, for example, if among the files that were uploaded, there's one that needs the client's attention, you may select individual settings for it. This settings option shows up only when you're uploading 2 or more files. Once the settings are set, you can now upload the documents.